After we already finished adding the avatars, we are going to add the details. So the first thing is we are going to add the text, the edit profile buttons, and also these setting buttons. So we back to the page and we delete all of this. Instead, we create a span with the class name of text grade of 700, and also the text is 2 extra large, and also we have a margin right of 4, and then we type the username. For example, we use ckmobile as the username, and then we are going to create a button, and we use div dot the cursor pointer to make it has a finger when mouse over it, and we use inline, and the text is small. We use the inline is if we do not use the inline, the div will occupy the whole width, so we have to use the inline style, and the text is small. And then we also use the text a light gray. The text grade is 700. This is not light gray, this is dark gray. And then we have the font is semi bold, and the padding of 1. And for the horizontal padding, we have extra large paddings, and then we add a border, and then we have the border is light gray, and then we make the button is rounded, and we use the margin right of 4, and then we type edit. So now we have this edit button, and instead of edit, this is edit profile. So we save it. Now we can get this edit profile button, and now we have to import the setting icons. Now we go to the top and import the code icon from the heroes icons, and then we apply these after these edit profile button. So we type the code icon, and then with the class name is equal to cursor pointer and the height of 6, and also this is inline and have the flash 1. Now we can see these setting buttons, and then after this we are going to add another div, and this will take up the whole row, and we have the margin top of 4 and flex, so they will align in a row, and we are going to use the font weight of semi bold for 200. We have the margin left of 4 for these two, and both of them are also using the font semi bold for the font weight. So now we can get these 200 posts forwards and also followings. At last, we are going to add the tag, the URL, and also the username. So we save it. We have this div and also another div. The first div is this one. We are going to make this a font weight of semi bold, and this div have padding top of 3 units, and we use dark gray and also the margin right of 2. And I think these do not need, because we do not have anything on its right hand side, so it has no difference for adding a margin right. We have another div also has padding top of 3, and for the text we use the text blue 700, and for the URL this is the same, also is blue in color, but the font weight is medium. So now we can get the link, the tag, and also the name.